All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about the fact that profit matters way more than quality in automotive repair. This topic actually came from Mark Hamill. He was talking about Hollywood. And Hollywood, they don't care how good the movie is, they care, does it make money? Literally all they care about. And unfortunately, that is a huge problem in the automotive repair business. Most shops do not care about the quality of the repairs they put out. They care whether or not the light's out, the customer's concern is fixed. For right now, they just care that they made money. If you need proof of that, all you got to do is look at Dorman. Dorman, A1 Cardone, shops don't care. They care about how much margin they can make on those parts. Oh, I can get the Dorman part for $12 and the OEM part is $62. Well, I can't make margin on the OEM part, so we're going to do Dorman. Oh, if it fails, we'll just, warranty it through our parts supplier, it'll be fine. They literally don't care. They care about the fact that they're making a quick buck, and that's a huge problem. Shops should be way more concerned about whether or not the car is fixed for a long period of time, not trying to just get it out of warranty. Now, there's obviously exceptions to this rule. There's shops like the one I used to work at that had a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty who cared more about quality repairs, and they charge for them. And they charge the same margin they would charge for a Dorman. It just made it a little more difficult to sell it. Most shops aren't like that. Most shops are 12-12, and they just hope it gets out of warranty, and if it gets out of warranty and it fails, they charge them again. Repeat customers. This is something that needs to be excised from this industry. Management groups need to shut the hell up about this crap. Stop preaching cheap parts for margin. Period. You need to do quality repairs for repeat customers. Doing bad repairs does not lead to long-term customers. And unfortunately, that's what a lot of those management companies preach. Get them in, nail them, move on to the next new customer. Pump up your advertising budget to get the next sucker in. So we need to stop that. We need to stop that mentality. We need quality repairs that last a long time. That means the customer has to pay more for quality parts. They need to pay more for quality parts. If you can't make margin on every sale you do, guess what? You still did a quality repair for a customer. That's the most important thing. Yes, survival of the business is important, but making sure you maximize how much money your shop owner makes at the expense of turning off existing customers is a problem. One of the things I saw a lot was customers coming to our shop that had already had repairs done at other shops, and we found defective parts that had just been installed. They did not want to take it back to that shop because they felt like they were getting screwed. Quick, high margin repairs don't wind up back at your shop. They just never come back to your shop. Think about that. If you're worried about margin so much that you're pricing out Dorman parts all the time, chances are those customers are going somewhere else. A lot of customers that feel they did not get taken care of at a shop don't come back. They go on to the next shop. They're going to be less inclined to buy from you if they remember that check engine light came back, or they had to spend more money to fix the stuff you didn't fix right, or put a bad part on there that failed relatively soon. It's a huge, huge, huge problem. Every service writer's main concern is margin, 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 margin. Every management group is parts margin. They scream about, reduce your costs, charge more, pay less. And yes, that's across the board. They want you to have cheaper techs. That's a different video, so, subscribe and all that kind of stuff. You want to hear me talk about that stuff, but again, different video. Shop owners, service writers need to get out of that mentality that the most important thing is margin. The most important thing is fixing the car right. If you're taking care of your customers, they will pay more. If you're making sure you're doing a quality repair, they will pay more. Premium repairs always command a premium price. There may be some Dorman lovers in the comments. I'm sorry, I've seen way too many Dorman parts fail. I've used a lot of them and they fail. Especially if it has wires, they fail. I know this video was ranty, so as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.